Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update. So yesterday, I talked about this line right here that you never really backtested previously. So you got a touch right over here, and you're maybe potentially just looking to come down for the C correction down there, bounce off this area and try to continue to the upside. The EMAs are on, so you just came down a little bit, lost the 10, you're losing the 20. Now it is time to actually maybe go down, wick down maybe to the 55, and then to go to the upside. The next 3 days are actually kind of important, because 3 days we're gonna actually see how the movements really are for OP at the moment. Okay, so guys, if you're not in our Discord, do join our Discord. It will be an honor if you actually do just click the link in the description of the video. By the end of the video, I'm going to know how to enter. The link is in the description of the video. Now this level right here is the main big support moving forward. There's something I didn't talk about, but the weekly is looking super amazing. The weekly do have a 3 black row, so there's something that I want to study this one with you. Now you see, when you see 3 white 3 green candles back to back, that's a continuation that the prices should be moving really higher, regardless of being this one being the red. So you do have some sort of a bearish engulfing candlestick. So if I do remove some of the drawings, this one right here, these 2 candlesticks are not really positive, and next week you're actually going to drop a little bit, but maybe down to that line that I showed you, bounce off that line next week and then start to go up. Now keep in mind, 3 white soldier is good. Now let me tell you what happens when you see those 3 green candles back to back. Okay, so we can see from the history you had that 3 green candles on the daily. So the short time frame is a future indicator what's coming in the future. So you see 3 green candles back to back, you made that red candle, and then the next day you start to retrace to the downside, but then you move up, and then you made another 3 white soldiers right here, and then you move up. I don't know why the hell the brush isn't working at the moment. That's kind of weird. Right now, oh, I'm offline. Just a second, guys. I'm actually gonna fix this offline issue right here, right now. I don't know why the hell, when I'm doing something super crazy and something super important, things wanna get out of hands. But there we are again, we're back live. Okay, so here we go. All right, so these 3 white soldiers right there, I think I gotta refresh this stupid page. Just a second here, bear with me. Oh my goodness, let's go back to OP. All right, so it was drawing, but really messed up everything. So I'm just gonna have to remove that, remove this one as well, remove some of that drawing, some of these drawings. Just gonna clean this up really quickly. Okay, and now we're back on track. Okay, so let me bring in the brush here. 3 white soldiers there. Okay, a little bit of a red, a little bit of retracement, and then boom to the upside. 3 white soldiers again, a little bit of a red, a little bit of retracement, move to the upside. So you can see, based on this data that we have, that's just like a precursor of what can happen on a weekly, which is a higher time frame. So my take is the same thing that happened on the daily, but it's going to take a couple of days, maybe 1 more week. So this one is red, come a little bit red again down to 1.329, bottom out here, and then start to move higher and higher. Maybe by the end of the month, maybe near 22nd of August, today's 13th of August. It's gonna take a time, but let me just reassure you, one thing is very clear. You do have a saucer bottom, and that's the bullish pattern that we have, and you might just be coming down here for the retest, nothing else. A wick down there, and you might potentially go up here. The bad thing about it is that you don't want to come down and close below that line. Then I'm not going to support the coin anymore. As long as we're above this level, we are good to continue higher. And that's pretty much it for this update on OP. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49 and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.